Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we've got another treat box, I think. So, it might not be. We keep ordering tons of boxes from Main Street Treat Company, Main Street Treat Co. Co. You can find them on Facebook. And we're waiting on two right now, so it's either Not a Morning Person, which is a coffee box, or it's Spoonful of Sugar and a Bubble Bath, which is stuff for Mary. So let's see which one this is. Alright, so Main Street Treat Company and USPS hates us. They've stolen one of our boxes. Well, they didn't steal it, they lost it. And they kicked this one around the truck a little bit. So we're going to jump into this and figure out which box it is, and that's all coming up right now. Alright, let's get into this thing and figure out which one it is without stabbing me. This side's going to be a little trickier because it's a little mushed. Okay, things are going well. Still have all my fingers and thumbs. Alright, so they always include their little card, and they've been including a guide map, and this is Magic Kingdom, which is always cool to just thumb through, pretend like I'm there. The confetti's amazing looking this time! Not that it, I mean this time, but it's just amazing looking. You know what I mean. Alright, so I still don't know what this is, so we're gonna dive in and figure it out. I don't know what this box is. So, we've got, well, we're just going to go through it, because I don't know, man. We've ordered so many boxes, I might have even forgotten about one that we ordered. Or sometimes they send us one, just out of the blue. So, it doesn't look like Spoonful of Sugar. Well, maybe it is. I don't know. We'll find out if there's bubble bath in here. Fresh soap! We figured it out. This is Spoonful of Sugar and a bubble bath. This is $59.99 plus shipping. Woohoo! I look like I know what I'm doing. I don't know. First things first. Minnie's Sweets Milk Chocolate Crispy Rice Treat. Big old thick and soft. From the Disney parks. Nutrition facts. All the good stuff. Legit Disney treats. Let me throw it up on the photo box. Boop. If it has a bite out of it, sorry. And then a straight up Rice Krispie treat. Mini Sweets Crisp Rice Cereal Treat. From the park again. Oh. It's gonna be a good day. I'm not eating dinner. I'm gonna ruin my appetite. Boop. Oh boy. Anybody want any Disney cotton candy in the house? Anybody? Mary is a cotton candy lover. Strawberry from the parks. Fun to share. Yeah, right. Throw that in the photo box. Boop. I hope there was something left to show you besides an empty plastic container. Alright, and then stuff that I don't have a clue about. So, can I get an assistant, please? Look at that.
I'm here.
Magical assistant.
Ooh, this is a fresh soap. Oh, it smells so good. It's from Disney Basin.
So Basin is in Disney Springs, right? I think it's the only place that is.
The Grand Floridian? No.
Oh, yeah, I think it is too. Maybe it's in both. We don't know.
Yeah.
But Basin, we've been there before. They have all the little soaps and all the little, what do you call the wicker containers all the way around? Yeah, something like that.
Bath bombs.
And it's got, we'll take a better picture so you can see it's got Mickey heads in the soap. Boop.
And then we have, another bar of soap with Mickey head on it.
This smells good. That smells like Rice Krispie treats.
We'll take a picture of that and put it in the photo box.
You wanna try it?
No.
Boop. Kind of messed with her before.
We got some more soap.
There's a bunch of different pieces in there.
There.
So we'll take them all apart because it looks like there's maybe even 4 pieces in there that are all, chunks so you can try the different kinds.
They all have little Mickey heads on them.
So, boop, 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 boop. I hope there were 4, otherwise I'd overbooped.
And some more.
That's a lot of soap. Yeah. I don't know if you guys have ever been to Basin, but they have some pretty amazing, homemade soaps. They're awesome. So that's
Another
2
bars.
full bars, and then 4 pieces of bars.
When,
8 pieces of bars. Jeez.
Yes. So this actually comes with bath bombs, but I don't have a bathtub that I would use here. So I asked them to switch out the bath bombs for other bars of soap, and they did. Thank you very much.
Sorry, the other 4 are boop, 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 boop. So, yeah, so she contacted Kristen and just said it wouldn't work for us. So we got tons of soaps.
Yes.
And snacks.
And they will all be used.
Yes.
By me, I'm not sharing.
Moving on. So that was awesome. So that is, like I said, $59.99 plus shipping, and it's all stuff from Disney. They go out and shop for all this stuff. It's not like they're buying it from a wholesaler. They're going out and getting in the car and going to park and getting all this stuff. So thank you, Kristen and Rusty, very much for all your hard work. And Trisha, you guys are killing it. It's awesome. If you'd like to take a look at our last video, it is...
Right here?
Yep. And if you want to subscribe to our channel...
It is... Click on this.
Click on this. Hope you're having a great day.